So you might be in a situation where for some reason your particular iPhone, the Gmail notifications just aren't working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, you're trying to go through and you're trying to basically get your Gmail application to work, but the notifications aren't going through. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and just make sure that within your particular iPhone, you have your notifications turned on. So, a lot of the times, what you're going to have to do is just right inside of your focus mode right here, inside of your control center, you want to go through and just go right inside of this do not disturb mode toggle and make sure this do not disturb mode toggle is turned off. Sometimes you might have it turned on, and that's going to be one of the main issues you might run into here. So that's kind of the starting point. That's where I'd recommend starting off at. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone, just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to go through and you want to scroll down until you find this notifications toggle, which is right over here. So tap on notifications, and then what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find the Gmail application. So find the Gmail app, and you want to tap on it, and you want to end up seeing the notifications are enabled there. Sometimes the notifications might be disabled randomly, so you might just want to go through and make sure it's enabled like this. If that's still not working, you can make your way over into your app store of your, app store, whatever you have. Search up Gmail, so go at the bottom, search up Gmail, and you just want to see if that ends up kind of, if you update it, that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main things I'd recommend doing here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.